How to add Pine script on Tradingview. To add Pine script on Tradingview, first, open the Tradingview chart of your choice, then look at the bottom panel and click on Pine Editor. If you already have a script to paste, delete the default template code and paste your Pine script directly into the editor. Once it's in, click the Add Chart button above the editor. The Tradingview will compile the script and overlay it on your chart. If the script has no error, it will load immediately, whether it's a custom indicator, strategy, or alert system. You can also save your script by clicking the floppy disk icon and giving it a name. If you want to explore existing Pine script, just go to the Indicators tab, select Community Script, and add any public script shared by other traders. This is a great way to learn by example of customize your strategy. Once added, tweak inputs and visual using the gear icon next to the script name. And that's it.